Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon yung post ng Enquirer.net patungkol sa impeachment trial ni VP Sara na inurong o di kaya inadjust yung date, yung schedule. Ayon dito sa post ng Enquirer.net, just in, Senate President Chis Escudero moves the presentation of the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte from June 2 to June 11. Ayan, June 11 na yung schedule ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte, guys. Escudero says the change in schedule was made to allow the Senate to tackle priority legislative measures before the 19th Congress adjourns via Cherry Abarca. Ayan, guys. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Wala pa ba silang matibay na ebidensya o di kaya meron na naman silang niloloto? Tara, magbasa tayo dito sa comment. Sabi ni Jason Dumalasa, the playing safe senator. Tapos dito naman kay Samahan, walang ayuda. The Senate seat will be vacated soon. Ayun. Kasi maraming mga senador din na ayaw sa pamumuno ni Senate President Chis Escudero eh. Sabi naman ni Don Arellano, good and 20 days more and closing of the 19th Congress due to time constraints. Some will surely make a move to quash the article of impeachment. The majority will simply second the motion and an immediate recess will be called. And guys, maraming nagtataka. Kaya abangan na lang natin, guys, kung kung matutuloy ba yung impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Pero para sa akin, malakas yung kutob ko na ma-acquit si Vice President Sara Duterte. Kaya yun na lang, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi. God bless.